October 2025. Under the burning Sahel sun, President Ibrahim Traoré steps onto the podium in Ouagadougou, holding not a weapon or decree, but a golden mango. In a land scarred by drought and conflict, he declares, "We will plant mangoes on the desert sands, they will bear fruit and hope." Thus begins the Burkina Faso Mango Revolution, a plan to turn 2,000 hectares of barren desert into green orchards across Hoba, Sancé and Bala. Mouhoun. The mission: grow Kent and Keitt mangoes, prized in Europe, to fuel jobs, exports, and food security. Stay with us, because Africa's awakening might just begin with a mango. Welcome to DIASA, the largest mango farm in Mexico. DIASA proudly boasts around 2,000 acres of mango orchards harvesting an impressive 18 million pounds of Kent and Keitt mangoes.
They are well protected and
annually. Late spring is the best time when farmers here start planting new mango trees. Steel wire is used to help the mango trees grow stably without any tilting. Mango trees embark on their fruitful journey after at least 4 years, finally yielding their first harvest. Strategically planted at optimal distances, these trees are given ample space to thrive, ensuring easy access for care and
trees,
harvesting. During their growth, farmers diligently prune the trees, promoting robust health and bountiful fruit production as mangoes develop and ripen. On the trees, vigilant monitoring is essential to catch any early signs
tropical fruits.
Disease. Once the trees flower, it takes about 120 days for the mangoes to reach their peak ripeness. The harvesting team then conducts thorough visual inspections, identifying the mangoes that are ready to be picked based on their ripe appearance and sweet aroma. Each year, over 60 million tons of mangoes are produced worldwide, making it one of the most delightful tropical fruits. To meet this tremendous demand, numerous farms harvest tons of mangoes. But how are millions of tons of this fascinating fruit harvested and processed? We visited a factory in southwest Mexico to explore the captivating process of mango harvesting and juice mangoes care production. Harvesting mango at DIASA is an exciting and meticulously planned event that takes place during the day. The sunlight is essential as it minimizes the flow of latex, a milky and sticky substance produced by the mango tree. This latex can stain and burn the fruits, leading to lower market value or even rejection during the harvest. Each mango is handled with utmost care to avoid bruising, skin damage, or any injuries. After picking, the ripe and high-quality mangoes are carefully sorted, with damaged or unripe ones discarded. These selected mangoes are
carefully sorted,
then placed in specially designed boxes, ensuring they are well protected and remain undamaged during transport. Control is reflected in their impressive annual harvest of over 5 million pounds of mangoes, showcasing their commitment to delivering only the best fruit to the market.
Receives up to 4 trucks daily.
Next, the harvested mangoes are carefully loaded onto trucks bound for a processing factory in southwestern Mexico. This factory, a major employer in the region, receives up to 4 trucks daily, each carrying 20 tons of fresh mangoes. Upon arrival, the mangoes undergo a rigorous quality check before being unloaded, ensuring they remain fresh and quality. The factory has a dedicated area for receiving mangoes directly from the fields, where they undergo an initial harvest. Mangoes visual inspection by trained workers. Any mangoes with signs of damage, discoloration, or inadequate ripeness are discarded or repurposed for compost. Mango is known as the king of fruits, not only captivating with its tropical sweetness, but also a vivid symbol of summer. With more than 50 million tons harvested each year, mangoes are among the top fruits with the highest commercial value globally. But behind each delicious slice of mango is a wonderful journey from harvesting to processing. Starting from the cool and peaceful green mango gardens, let's explore the journey in before the mangoes reach consumers. They go through a meticulous harvesting journey from the moment they are still hanging on
To
the
meet this tremendous demand,
branches.
numerous farms harvest tons
For
of
low-hanging
mangoes.
mangoes, farmers use the traditional hand-picking method to gently pick each fruit from the branch. For tall trees, farmers often use long poles with soft nets attached at the top to pick fruits hidden high above, avoiding bruising or scratching the skin. In large-scale mango farms, modern machinery is used to support harvesting. These devices are capable of reaching high tree canopies, skillfully picking mangoes while still ensuring the fruit's shape and quality are maintained. After harvesting, mangoes are gathered into large baskets with cushions to protect them during
Discarded.
transportation. Then quickly brought
These
to
selected mangoes are
the
then
preliminary
placed in specially
processing
designed
area,
boxes,
preparing for the
ensure-
next stages of classification, packaging, and processing. After harvesting, mangoes will be taken to the inspection and pruning area. Here, any remaining stems are carefully cut to avoid damage during processing. The fruits are then transported to a processing facility where they are graded using machines fitted with rollers. These rollers rotate and gently push the mango forward, allowing for ripeness testing and the removal of any diseased or underdeveloped fruit. At the processing facility, mangoes are washed with high-pressure water jets to remove any dirt or
fresh
foreign
and of
impurities.
high quality.
Before further processing, they are heat
The
treated
factory
for a
has
short
dedicated
time.
area for receiving
This important step helps deactivate polyphenol oxidase, an enzyme that can change the flavor and color of mango juice. Particularly, canned mangoes for export will undergo a strict quality inspection and labeling process before reaching consumers. Mass harvesting and production
trucks
of mangoes
bound
is
for a processing
revolutionizing
factory in
the
southwestern Mexico.
availability of this beloved fruit, making it
This
more
factory,
accessible
a
and
major
abundant
employer in the
than ever before. Depending on the height of the tree, mangoes can be harvested in two ways. Those that can be reached are typically cut by hand without using other tools. This gentle method ensures that both the mangoes and the trees remain undamaged. It also allows farmers to selectively pick only the right mangoes, leaving others to mature further.
Upon arrival, the mangoes
On the tree for
undergo
mangoes
a
that are
rigorous
too high,
quality
nets
check
with
before
long
being
sticks attached
unloaded,
are
ensuring they remain
used to collect them. After harvesting, the mangoes are gathered, arranged in baskets, and taken to an inspection area. Here, the precise trimming of any remaining small stems from the mangoes is carried out. The mangoes are then transported to the facility for processing and market preparation in various forms. First, the mangoes are placed on the roller bar sorting machine. The roller bars, driven by horizontally moving chains, gently push the mangoes forward while rotating them. This sorting process is important for inspecting and removing any unripe or diseased mangoes, ensuring the quality of the fruit. The mangoes are then moved into the fruit washing machine, where they are rinsed by tumbling water from the high-pressure pump. After that, the processed raw mangoes are PL-coated, packed in box for the market. Mango fruits can also be processed and delivered as juice at the facility. The mangoes are placed on the sorter machine. Tons of mangoes after harvesting will be sent to factories for packaging or for juice production. At this factory, mangoes are washed, sorted, and packed before being shipped to supermarkets. In addition, tons of mangoes here will also be exported to other countries. Foreign mango factory. Have you ever eaten a frozen mango? All the mangoes here will be peeled and then cut into small pieces. Hygiene in this factory is also very Mango chunks while they are contained within cardboard. Finally, they are packed into durable white plastic bags, ensuring quality and freshness are maintained.